Hi, beautiful lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Stephanie and you're welcome to Stephy's Place. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and joining the family. And to my returning subscribers, hey, my lovelies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this delicious, yummy grounded beef wrap. Yes, so please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Let's get right into this video. Yeah. Welcome back. So to start, I will roughly be blending this green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green habanero pepper, and then onion together. I'll roughly blend everything together. Yeah, so that's how we're gonna be starting. Let's get into the main deal. So I'm done grinding them. I'm going to be putting it into a plate. I'll remove it from the processor to a plate and then I'll set this aside. So in that same food processor, I'll be adding my beef. I prefer using my hand to process my beef. Like, I don't like buying the store-bought miced meat. I prefer processing it myself. Just buy beef and then use my food processor to mice it. Is that what they call it? Use my food processor to grind it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. After then, in a pan, I'll be adding butter and then I'll add garlic to it. So I'll just saute this, stir this, and then also add onion, a little onion to this as well. Then I'll just stir it very well. And then I'll go ahead to add my processed beef, my miced beef. You see the way it is, very beautiful. So I'll just be adding it now. Yeah, and then I'll add seasoning powder for taste. I'll add salt as well, and then I'll also be adding paprika. Okay, I'll add this Goya adobe seasoning powder, and then I'll also go ahead to add a paprika. Is it paprika? Paprika. I'll also add paprika, and then I'll also add whole oregano. So this is my whole oregano. I'll be adding it into that too. I'm just trying to build up flavor. And then I'll stir everything together. And yeah, I'm just trying to like pieces the meat. I'll also add this cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. Don't be small thing. I'll also add this cayenne pepper, like to have this, make it spicy hot. I'm just trying to stir everything together to mix up the spices I just added, and then I remembered I've not added pepper flakes. I don't know, I like my food hot and spicy. Yep. So I'm just trying to stir everything properly. After which I will just allow it to cook. I'll cover it up and let it cook for some time, so it will done very well. So yeah, I'll let that be for now. I'll go over to preparing the cream for the wrap. I'll be using Bama mayonnaise for the cream. I'm just trying to scoop out the amount I want, after which I'm going to be adding lemon juice and stir everything together, just to mix everything together before I'll start adding other things I want to add into it. So I'll be adding ketchup in there as well. Am I the only one that enjoy this folic ketchup? I prefer using this folic ketchup to other ketchups. Just maybe. I don't know why, but that's just me. So after mixing that together, I'll be adding smoked paprika again. And then I'll also add this cayenne pepper, just to make it hot, like a bit kind of hot and spicy. And then I'll go ahead to add parsley leaves, parsley flakes, I'll stir everything together again, trying to mix everything together. And then I'll also add pepper flakes as well. Then I'll go ahead to add this sweet chili sauce. This chili sauce is so nice, very nice, and this is my first time of trying it, but I just saw it and decided to try it out. But it came out so nice, like it tastes so good. So I'm just trying to stir everything together. Yes, and then I'll return back to my pan. So now I'll be going ahead now to fry our, is it the base, the pepper, the pepper mixture. So I'll be adding some onion. I'll just stir everything together and then add our pepper mix. I'll just stir it, stir it, and then I'll add our pepper flakes again. You'll be like, too much pepper in this one food. I like pepper. I'll also add cayenne pepper inside too. I love it hot and spicy. I'll add paprika again, and then I'll add parsley flakes. Please mind you, these things I'm adding little by little. Please, I will also add this adobe seasoning powder, and then I'll add chicken seasoning powder. So please mind you, I was adding this thing little by little. I'll also add oregano. This is just, I love using spices, but little I'll get from here and there. This is just to build up my flavors, that's just it. So I'll also be adding the salsa paste I got. Very nice, it gave this thing a different sweet taste, I'm telling you. So I'll just stir this all together. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, I've added my beef. Yeah, I'll just stir everything together, and then I'll be adding fresh parsley. After adding it, I'll just stir everything together, and yeah, so this is how it's looking. So yummy. This was so yummy. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using this wheat flour wrap. Yeah, I'll be using it for this beef wrap. Yeah, and also I'll be using this grated mozzarella cheese, and then cheese slices. That's what I'm going to be using for it. Now I'll just go ahead to spread my creamy mixture on the wrap. I really want to be generous with this. I'm actually so generous with it. So after spreading this, I'll be adding the beef and other mixtures. Then I'll add my mozzarella cheese, and then also add the cheese slices. It's very simple to do. I will also be adding this leftover lettuce I found as well. I just decided to add it, and then I will carefully fold this, and that is it. I'm just trying to carefully fold it. Then I will go ahead to place it on my grill pan and let this grill. So what I'll do is that I will grill this side properly, and then I will flip it over to the other side. It's that simple. So yeah, that's just what I'm trying to do here. I'll flip it to the other side and allow that side to grill as well. And yeah, that is it. This is how I made this delicious grounded beef wrap. See here, you see this beef wrap, the taste is heavenly. It tasted so good. It was so yummy. Even today, and everybody in the house wanted more. Like, it was so yummy. Yeah, so that is it for today's video, Cook with Steffi. Yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Please and please, are you seeing this yummy goodness? So I'll be bringing this kind of yummy goodness your way. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye.